I got you on the daily chart, and as y'all can see, same graphics. I ain't changed it at all, and these are the only options y'all see that is playing out. But anyways, as y'all can see, we're getting a little rejection right here on the 20 EMA on the daily, and like I mentioned before, this yellow line is where we need to get rejected from, because that was our first drop line, and boom, we come get rejected one more time, then it's gonna make that crazy move down like I mentioned before. But I'm going to show y'all closer for your short term than, the long term people. Stay tuned. So shorter term right here, boom. Like I mentioned, we could get rejected right here by this 50 EMA as we're getting rejected now. So we could actually turn around and go down now. But anyways, anywhere between here into this 100, it could just drop. But like I said before, I believe it's going to come and hit this 100 EMA. Because I showed y'all before, boom, like this is where our initial drop was from, because this major support and resistance line. That's why we got this nice candlestick right here that I mentioned that we was going to have as soon as we can cross over it, right? So like I said before, we should come up to tap it one more time and get rejected. So y'all see right here, support, resistance, resistance, resistance. We go on the daily so I can see why I decided to use this line. Boom, right here, support. It came all the way down, tapped it, and came back up. Support, just about, but y'all can see resistance right here also. So this is a very important line. So that's why I chose it, and as y'all can see, it's playing out anyway. So y'all can see this candlestick, boom, as soon as it came on this line right here. And on here, like you see the 50 EMA, like I said in my previous video, it's lining up with this, and it's just confirming on what I was saying. Unless we got a crazy move, on the daily, and we make it all the way out here to like 50,000, but I doubt it. I truly doubt that'll happen. But I do believe we come and hit this 50 EMA, and then we'll get rejected. As you can see, we came up to the 100 and basically got rejected. So we come up to the 50 and get rejected, go back down, and then we come up to the 20 and get rejected. But yeah, and also after we get rejected from, like I say, the range around 42,300. That general area, I believe we'll get a rejection and downside. And our next support level is right here, around 37,600. But what I think is going to happen when they do make the reverse over here, I feel as though after we get that rejection, at any point in time, they can crash this market. So y'all need to pay attention, When I say pay attention, like every 15, 20 minutes if you want to play around that like that, I'm not even playing like that, because it could take me, I can forget for a few hours, and it happened to me before, so that could happen to anybody, but especially, it depends on what you want to do. But at any point in time after hit that, they can crash this thing to something serious. But anyways, like I say, you see the support, but the thing is, like, I think it's going to be a nice candlestick on the downside, because they're going to have to push through this. I don't believe they're going to stop around this area, because it's too obvious support. I feel like they're going to do something like this right here, like they're going to spike it all the way down, probably to the 200, just to trick the other, some traders that don't understand what's really going on. They might know a little something, but they're going to try to trick you like that. But I believe they should at least come to this 200. They'll be around like 35 will be our next support level. After it's going to be a killer drop, but it could be in one go. It could be, it could be days, weeks. Well, I'm not even going to say weeks, because there's not going to be no weeks, but days or hours, we can get a nice candlestick very soon, but especially after we hit this 50, that range that I'm expecting could be going down, and I'm just saying, that's if they want to be nice, hit this 200 EMA, because they could easily come down to the 30,000 zone, because that's actually where they need to be going to from what I'm seeing in the charts. And as y'all can see, I already have this written right here. I believe we're coming down to 30,000, and then I believe we may get a little upward trend, and that might be back up to, I wouldn't even say that. I'll just say we'll get rejected by this 200 EMA, honestly, because if you look to the left, exactly where the lowest candlestick is at, and look to the right, exactly where the 200 is starting to come at. So yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if I see a move from right here, boom, all the way down. That's a possibility. I'm not saying it's going to happen, but it can really happen that way, and drop all the way down around 31.5, 30,000, and then come back up and get rejected by this 200 EMA, around 35,000. And then we'll be heading on down and share on the weekly, just in case y'all didn't see it. Weekly 20,000, which should be this blue line right here. Basically, it's to recover all these candlesticks they have hanging over here. The 30,000 recover these candlesticks, 20,000 recover these candlesticks, and you look all the way to the left, previous resistance, so super support now, and that's why I believe it's going to be the low. Also, large M formation on the right side of M formation is a head and shoulder formation. On the right side of head and shoulder formation is a whole nother head and shoulder formation. So I mean, it is set up for a crazy drop very soon. Y'all just be on the lookout. But anyways, anything I just said is not financial advice at all. Y'all growing, y'all make your own decisions. But like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.